NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are one of the most exciting crypto assets to enter the blockchain market. They enable developers to create digital collectibles that are unique. However, NFTs also have their own set of problems and challenges. Welcome, Slicers! Here are 10 things you need to know about NFTs. One, what are NFTs? An NFT is a non-interchangeable digital item that is stored across multiple computers on the public record, also known as the blockchain. The T in NFT refers to token, which is a record logged on the blockchain, the structure on which cryptocurrencies rely. Popular NFTs are much more than digital files, though. They come with status, community, exclusivity, and experiences. Many NFTs double as memberships or deeds to virtual land, and ownership often grants you access to benefits, including private online communities and exclusive game access. 2. What is minting? Minting an NFT is publishing a unique digital asset, most often a work of art, on the blockchain so that it can be bought, sold, and traded. To upload a one-of-a-kind digital file to an NFT marketplace like OpenSea, you will create an account, enter a link to your associated website that offers buyers branding and marketing information about your collection, write an NFT description, and publish. It's a simple process. The complexity comes into play when choosing the right artists and building desire and buzz around the NFTs in your project or collection. 3. Should I mint my own NFTs? The drivers for the NFT market are similar to the traditional art market: aesthetic pleasure, thrill of the auction, and exclusivity. Some things to consider before starting an NFT project are: do you have an established following? Does your brand lend itself to exclusivity and status? How large will your collection be? Who are the artists creating your digital works? Is your collection associated with unlockable content such as physical products or membership? Is it part of a game? How will you build a community around your collection? 4. What is a crypto wallet and why do I need one to collect NFTs? NFTs are bought and sold using cryptocurrency. Crypto wallets are like banks, but unlike banks, crypto wallets don't come with the human middleman making decisions about your money. Instead, they simply store your private keys and keep your cryptocurrency safe and accessible. The first step is downloading a wallet extension if you're on a computer or an app if you're on a mobile device. The most important thing to remember when setting up a wallet is you need to put your recovery passphrase in a secure place. If you lose it, you lose all access to the cryptocurrency in your wallet. Millions of dollars of crypto are forever frozen because the owners lost access to their wallets. 5. Where are NFTs traded? There are a few main platforms like OpenSea and Rarebits, which allow you to buy and sell digital goods in exchange for cryptocurrencies. These decentralized NFT marketplaces sell art, domain names, game items, music, and other digital assets that are built on the blockchain. You can buy and sell NFTs and create your own collections on these marketplaces. These platforms are surprisingly straightforward and simple to navigate. You can open your account and create your first NFT within 5 minutes. The challenge is making your NFTs valuable and sought after, like any other art. 6. What can be converted into NFTs? Collectible digital art, 3D avatars, virtual fashion, land in the Metaverse, and VR or IRL games and experiences are some of the most popular NFTs to create, collect, and trade. NFTs can be anything as long as they are unique, also known as non-fungible, and has a main digital component that can be stored on the blockchain. Typically, it's art because an NFT has to be one of a kind or in a limited edition. Fungible translates as interchangeable. For example, a puffer vest at the Gap, SKU number 123, is interchangeable with any other Gap puffer vest with the same SKU number. Non-fungible, on the other hand, means unique or one of a kind. The Mona Lisa is not interchangeable with any other painting. 7. What can I do with my NFTs? Just like artwork, you can do whatever you want with them. You could gift an NFT to a friend across the world, keep it as a family heirloom, or sell your NFT on an open marketplace. But unlike other goods, they're trackable across the public record. They can't be counterfeited, at least we believe they can't be forged, and they're armed with the programmability of digital goods. 8. How fast is the NFT market growing? The market for these unique digital items is growing quickly. The NFT market was valued at more than $2 billion in 2018, and the total number of NFTs in circulation has surpassed 500 million items. A market report published by Verified Market Research provides a lofty prediction for the future of non-fungible tokens, projecting its value to swell to $230 billion by 2030. 9. Are NFTs a risky investment? NFTs are a risky investment for many reasons. First, if the company behind the token falls apart, you may take losses. However, because the blockchain is decentralized, if a backing company goes under, your asset will still reside in the records on servers worldwide. Therefore, its value can take on a life of its own, similar to a physical artwork. The NFT market is also speculative and very volatile. NFTs are nothing like blue-chip stocks. Instead, they're highly subjective, like antiques or collectibles. 10. Who are the hottest NFT artists today? One of the main benefits of non-fungible tokens is that they create an ecosystem where anyone can create, own, and manage their digital items. It helps artists get discovered because they can upload their work directly to the blockchain and share it with the world. Investing in NFTs supports painters, sculptors, musicians, illustrators, and designers. Here are 3 of the hottest artists. Gal Yosef is a renowned Israeli 3D artist who created the Crypto Bull Society. He started experimenting with 3D art when he was 12 years old and is now considered one of the most influential digital artists of our time. Maliha Abadi is a Pakistani-American acclaimed published author and visual artist. Her latest project is Women Rise, a 10K collection of women activists, artists, scientists, and coders rising on the blockchain. Maxwell Stepp is a Canadian graphic artist who explores human faces through his art. His designs, The Glitches, focus on diversity and inclusion. Slicer Question of the Week: who is your favorite NFT artist? Comment below with your favorite artists, and let us know if you're interested in a Slicer video dedicated to the top 10 NFT artists. NFTs can be applied in many ways and are becoming increasingly popular. The use cases for NFTs range from digital art, exclusive online clubs, virtual lands and gaming environments, or even limited edition sneakers. Don't go it alone. Partner with SliiceXR to gain visibility in the Metaverse. Hit like and subscribe and never miss an upload. Thanks again, Slicers, for watching. We'll see you next time.